The front to blind is a very powerful and challenging variation of the normal front. The key is that you will have to rotate very fast to add in the extra 180 degrees at the end. For the first 180 degrees, speed up the rotation with your back arm and leg. After 180 degrees, push the bar all the way up and commit to landing blind. For extra airtime, pull down on the bar again as soon as you can spot the landing. Make sure to stay over your board and not get off axis in the last 180 degrees. Be sure to keep your kite high. Don't fly it down too much during the rotation. For the last 180 degrees, throw your back foot up and kick the nose down. Flatten the board and land nose first. Finally, slide out the last 180 degrees. Let's remember the key elements. Try to spin as fast as you can. After the front, pull the bar down for some extra airtime. For the last 180 degrees, throw your back foot up and kick the nose down. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.